Hi everybody, hi, it's Wednesday workout. Right, if you're coming on, say hi, give me some love hearts, and I know you're there and I'll be able to see the comments. Right, what's happening? I've been teaching my Pilates class and been working the triceps, all different ways, try different ways to help my ladies because it's been one of the hardest exercises that they do. I see struggling when I go and do my personal training too. Every woman struggles with the triceps. And why? Because it's quite, they are very weak, and they're here at the back of the arm. All right, it's the dreaded bingo wings, if that's what you call them, or kimono arms, I've heard it being called. So I'm here to show you a good technique, very, very basic, and for people who cannot get on the floor, I'm going to use a chair, and for people who can get on the chair, on the floor and don't need a chair. All right, so if you have problems with your knees and you're a bit older now, this is for any age, and from 50 upwards, it doesn't matter, you can do this. All right, it's really, so I'm just going to turn my camera, really beneficial to work your triceps, all right, because it attaches to your shoulders, and it if they're not strong, you could have be more prone to injuries in your shoulders and through to the neck and back, upper back. So here we go. All right, so this is a technique exercise, so I'm going to show you how to do it properly. Take your time, and then I want you to do it for yourself and let me know how you get on. So I'm going to start off with the chair. Now I'll start off with the back of the chair first because it's higher, and if you have problems, you know, bending over or with your knees, then you can start high. So if you just get a back of the chair, the high bit, we'll show you how to do the seated bit too. Now your hands must be only shoulder width apart, all right, a little bit closer, all right, not wide, because this is what I'm seeing, it's not a push-up tricep, so they're just being, your hands are just narrow, right underneath the shoulders, all right, then just step away a little bit from the chair, keep your body nice and straight, nice and long, and you must lean into the chair and bend the elbows neck as they go towards the ribs, and then push up and away. All right, now don't do this. Don't put the elbows out. You're going to injure yourself. So if you have a problem, your elbows still turn out, turn your hands, just fan your hands out, fingers out a little. Let me show you again. So we'll do a few. So your feet just hit width apart as well. Keep it nice and long. So don't bend, don't go into with your body. Keep the body nice and stable. Just take the body weight down and then push up. Now take your time with this. Again, I'll show you again. So we'll just do a few. So can you see where my elbows are? My elbows are touching my ribs, all right, and my elbows are facing the back of the room, and then I'm pushing up. All right, let's do that again, one more time, and then I'll show you how to do it on the seated bit. All right, so all the weight is coming forward as if you're tipping over the cliff. All right, what I do see is this. So in my class, I see ladies pushing all the weight because it's easier. There's nothing working there. You're just pushing your weight backwards, all right? You must lean into it. Right, turn the chair around. Let's do it a bit lower. And when you do it a bit lower, it gets a little bit harder. So again, hands just about shoulder width. Fan the fingers out, out to the side. So we're going a bit lower this time. All right, so it is a bit harder, and again, down and push up. All right, down and push up. Now, I must say that is very hard, all right, because we're lower, all right, we've got more gravity to face, all right, so we're working against gravity. So you can try that one. Now the other one I'm going to show you on the floor, a very easy basic exercise with your triceps to do. So again, hands shoulder width apart and put them on the floor. We're in like a box push up. Let's show you here, show you on the angle. Yeah, here, so fan your fingers out. And can you see I'm in a box push up? So if you're all right on your knees, this is going to be an easier way. So don't let your elbows come out. Again, the elbows go towards the knees here. All right, so imagine your nose. We're going to tip the nose forward towards the floor. So you're going to go forward and push up. Now, at first, you might not be able to get right down to the floor. So just do what you can. You may only be able to go halfway. Just start off with that halfway. Because we have to start somewhere, don't we? So I don't expect you to go all the way down to the floor at once if you do not train or work your triceps. All right, so just start off. Again, can you see my elbows tucked in? Elbows going towards the knees. And then I push away. Now, what I do see, which is wrong, is do this. Do not do this. When you go down, the elbow, you're going backwards and your elbows touch the floor. All right, that is not a tricep push-up. So you're going down and touching the floor. Can you see my weight's gone behind? There's no weight, I'm not working my triceps. So the elbows stay off the floor and you go forward and you tip forward. And so if you go low enough, you can feel the elbows in towards the ribs, going towards the knees. All right, again, breathe in and breathe out as you come up. Use your breath. So prepare, breathe in, and then breathe out. Breathe in. Yeah? So, there was something else, was there? Yeah, I think that's about it. So if you can go on your knees, do this version. If you can't go on your knees, all right, do the chair version. All right. Now, just doing them for you, I really feel it. All right. So, you know, it's summer and yeah, we're starting to wear sleeveless. You can't wear a coat. You don't want a jumper on. You don't. So, you know, and some of my ladies are saying they're very conscious with the arms, they're covering the arms up. So, you know, train your triceps and then you can show your arms off. It's not an easy muscle to train. It takes a long time. So start off easy, all right? Now, when you do work the muscles as well, okay, it helps bone density, all right? The triceps are going to help support your bones, all right? So if you actually had a fall, your muscles are there to protect you. When you do a workout like that, also you burn calories, all right? You start working into the muscle and your metabolism increases, all right? If you do have any more questions, let me know. All right, but please, first of all, let me know, tell me in the comments whether you tried it and what you feel, how's it going. Take a picture to prove that you're doing it. Show me how you get on. Then what I will do, I'll show you how to do with weights. I'll show you how to do the tricep with bands, with different equipment. So watch out for more tricep technique exercises. All right, so do this one first and then we'll move on to a bit harder. All right, so start off basic. All right, have a lovely day, everybody. Workout Wednesday. Bless you all. And again, bye.